pentose phosphate pathway. HMP shunt, hexose monophosphate shunt or pentose phosphate pathway, PPP. A starting point of, yes, hexose monophosphate shunt, hexose monophosphate shunt. Starting point of HMP shunt is glucose 6 phosphate, glucose 6 phosphate is converted to 6 phosphogluconate by glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. And you know the concept dehydrogenase, whenever there is dehydrogenase, removal of hydrogen will be taken up either by NAD, FAD or NADP. In this dehydrogenase, hydrogen is taken up by NADP to form NADPH. Yes, PPP. That is why NADP to form NADPH. Now 6 phosphogluconate is converted to 3 keto 6 phosphogluconate, 3 keto 6 phosphogluconate, another dehydrogenase. NADP is converted to NADPH. Now this is converted to ribulose 5-phosphate, 1 CO2 is removed. CO2 is, you can say CO2 is removed. Okay. The conclusion is that glucose 6 phosphate is converted to ribulose 5-phosphate. In this conversion, 2 NADPH are produced and 1 CO2 is released. Clear? कोई doubt नहीं? Means 1 molecule of glucose 6 phosphate is converted to ribulose 5-phosphate, and in this conversion 2 NADPH produced and 1 CO2 released. Clear? If, yes, we simplify, if 3 molecules of glucose 6 phosphate enter the HMP shunt, 3 molecules of glucose 6 phosphate will produce 3 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate, ribulose 5-phosphate, ribulose 5-phosphate. 3 CO2 released, yes, 2 NADPH, 2 NADPH, 2 NADPH. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 NADPH and 3 CO2. Yes, you may write like this. Yes, there are so many questions to solve these questions. We simplify the HM patient. If we start HM patient with 3 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate, 3 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate will be produced, and 3 CO2 produced, 6 NADPH produced. These 5 carbon, 5 carbon, 5 carbon, these 15 carbon will rearrange themselves by multiple steps to produce 2 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate and 1 molecule of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Clear? So 2 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate and 1 molecule of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Clear? So you can write overall reaction like this: 3 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate enter HM patient, 6 NADP, 2 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate produced, yes. 1 molecule of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, plus 3 CO2 plus 6 NADPH. 3 CO2 plus 6 NADPH. This is overall reaction. If 3 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate enter HM patient, it will produce has 2 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate, 1 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, 3 CO2 and 6 NADPH. Question asked that which of the following is not a product of HM patient? Option A, glucose 6-phosphate is a product. Option B, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, yes. Option C, 3CO2, yes. Option D, fructose 6-phosphate, yes. Answer will be fructose 6-phosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate is intermediate product, yes. You may write intermediate product: pseudohaptulose 7-phosphate, pseudohaptulose, okay. I write intermediate product here. Pseudohaptulose 7-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate. In fact, so many products are there, intermediate products, but these are important one on which questions are asked. Pseudohaptulose 7-phosphate intermediate product, fructose 6-phosphate intermediate product. Again, I repeat the questions. Question is asked that which of the following is not a product of HM patient? Option A, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Option B, 3CO2. Option C, 6 NADPH. Option D, pseudohaptulose 7-phosphate. You will mark pseudohaptulose 7-phosphate because it is intermediate product. It is not final product. Recently asked question: which of the following is not a product of HM patient? Option A, 3 CO2, option B 6 NADPH, option C pseudohaptulose 7-phosphate, option D glycerol 3-phosphate. So answer would be glycerol 3-phosphate. Point it out, the product is glyceraldehyde, not glycerol. Yes, the product is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. They'll confuse between glycerol and glyceraldehyde. The product is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, not glycerol. Okay, so these are common question on HM patient. Use of NADPH. Yes, NADPH is used in fatty acid synthesis. Question. NADPH is used in fatty acid synthesis. NADPH is used in cholesterol synthesis. NADPH is used in steroid hormone synthesis. NADPH is used to convert oxidized glutathione to reduced glutathione in RBC.